11:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sunbury, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Dublin, Westerville, Delaware, Worthington, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury, Hebron, Utica, Ashley, Minerva Park, Hanover, Granville South, Martin, and Beechwood Trail. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 136 and 142 and near mile marker 144. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 118 and 138. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.